Andre, I just don't think that I can deal with school anymore. There is so much stress and I just hate it here.
Well, that's one way to look at it. But high school is a time for you to find yourself. Don't miss out on all of that just because you can only find negative things about it, Ariel.
But Andre, you are popular, everyone wants to be you, and I'm just a nerd without any friends.
Being popular isn't always the best thing in the world either. You always have to worry about what you do or say next. It gets exhausting after a while, Ariel.
Andre, I just moved here and I feel like everyone already stereotyped me.
Well, I didn't. I thought that you seemed very nice and someone that accepts you for who you really are.
Face it, Andre, you only came over to say hi to me was because you felt bad for me.
Yes, I did actually, because I know that I would not want to sit there by myself either.
I'm sorry, Andre, I guess I'm just a little stressed. I do appreciate you coming over to say hi to me.
It's okay, I get that being the new kid sucks, but you have to stop hiding from everything including yourself and go enjoy yourself.
I know. I'll try. Thanks for being my friend, Andre.
You're welcome, and can I ask you one favor?
Sure.
Don't hide. Stay off the rooftop.